Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Raizuddin bin Muhammad Raimi, and I am from class 5X BME 1, and my topic today is about a drone technology impact towards world economy. So, a drone is a small unmanned aerial vehicle, UAV, or can be defined as a unmanned aerial system, UAS. Is a flying robot that is not handled by human but capable of autonomous flight controlled by a computer. As a result, a human control a radio control drone is included in the drone since it requires the gyro feedback, which is it is an angular velocity feedback control. The drone was designed for military use, flew for the first time before World War II, and was later fully used in the Iraq and Afghan wars starting 2000. Sensors and microprocessor, on the other hand, have become super tiny and high performance as mobile phones and smartphones, which led about 20 years ago to small electric power multi-rotor helicopters that weigh a few hundreds grams to few kilograms and were capable of autonomous flight. These drones were reported to have a wide range of application, from hobby to industry. In the future analytic, if you have been reading up on drones, you're likely aware of the fact that companies like Amazon, Google, and apps have been aggressively investing in UAV technology. This includes research and development, but also ensuring that the federal laws allow them to pursue their ambitions of utilizing advanced drone technology to carry out delivery in the very near future. Commercial delivery drones already contribute to over 13 billion in economic growth worldwide, but that number is expected to skyrocket in the coming years as the technology, laws, and the regulations are implemented and consumers have become more comfortable with their online orders being dropped off from the air. For benefits, as technology continues to grow and play a larger role in consumer life, industry have transformed and adapted as well. Company has moved away from brick and mortar to predominantly online services as a result of ubiquitous internet access. In this shift, online companies reduce overhead costs, including rent and wages associated with operating a physical store. While online retailers are more convenient, purchases of goods and services are subjected to additional shipping and handling charges incurred by the consumer. Even though technology has transformed a number of industries over the past 10 years, shipping and postage have remained relatively unchanged. Traditional postal services providers such as UPS and FedEx have remained the primary sources of the shipping and handling for major online retailers. Recently, Amazon has challenged the status quo with Amazon Prime Air. Amazon Prime Air is a drone delivery system that anticipated package deliveries in 30 minutes or less. The program has not been executed as yet, but it is currently in development. While the financial and economic impact of drones is robust, the Federal Aviation Administration (FAA) regulations, in conjunction with privacy and safety concerns, have delayed the launch of commercial drone services. In the economic part, rapid technological innovation has provided consumers cutting-edge product at the affordable prices. Traditionally, drones had been limited to military use due to high cost and technical sophistication. However, due to economy of scale, consumers can purchase drones for less than hundreds bucks. With a widespread access, companies such as Amazon have explored the use of unmanned aerial vehicle for commercial purposes. Amazon Prime Air has promised a 30-minute delivery services for packages of up to £5. Google, in altruistic contrast to Amazon, has developed aerial drones for environmental conservation and delivery of medicine to remote locations. The environmental impact is also immense. Powered by batteries, drones are more environmentally friendly than delivery trucks. If delivery drones gain widespread usage, this would reduce the reliance on vehicles for many companies. This would have an adverse impact on automobile manufacturers, but the impact on the environment would be a boom and would help many countries reduce emission, helping meeting emissions targets set in various global agreements. These economic implications of commercial drones use are undeniable. The market for drones is estimated to be $127 billion across a variety of industry. Notably, the commercial use of drones will be predominantly affect agriculture and infrastructure more so than commerce. Due to the ability to cover large areas, drone use in agriculture is anticipated to effectively feed and hydrate plants while also limiting exposure to disease. On the macroscopic on the microeconomic scale, the integration of UAV could create more than 100,000 jobs. Over a 10-year span, job creation from commercial drone use will consist primarily of manufacturing job and drone operators. Likewise, states will benefit from tax windfalls stemming from the increased economic activity. The implementation clearly have a positive impact of a business and consumers. Consumers directly benefit from job creation, resulting in additional earnings. Commercial drones will also allow industry to realize saving from the cost-effective means of inventory transportations and distribution. This cost saving can be passed down to the consumer through a reduction in